everyone, welcome back to Ash Creativity. In today's video, I'm painting a super easy and super simple craft. They're super easy to paint, beginner friendly, usually only take 5 to 10 minutes to paint, and you can give them as cards to your friends and family. I'm using 2 pieces of paper the same size, a pair of scissors, flattened brushes, and some paints. To make my stencil, first I'm going to fold my paper into half the long way. Then I'm going to draw half of a heart. You could draw half of a star or any other shape you'd like, but I'm doing a heart, and I'm going to draw half of a heart and cut it out. Then I'm going to place the paper that I cut the heart out from on top of the other paper and tape them together so that they don't move. Then I'm going to get my paints and my flat brushes. You could use any colors you'd like, but I personally think it looks a little better if you use analogous colors, so colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. For example, I used blue, purple, pink. You could use red, orange, yellow, or yellow and green, or you could use brown, black, orange, colors that are similar to each other because they blend a little more easily. Now I'm gonna get one of my flat brushes and dip it into some paint and make brush strokes over the heart area. Make sure that you have a little extra paint on your paintbrush so that the paint doesn't dry quickly. When you overlap colors, it's gonna blend in together a little bit and give us this feeling of an acrylic pour. Once I paint the whole heart, I'm going to remove the stencil and let it dry partially. Once it's almost dry but not quite, I'm going to get some paint, white paint, and I'm going to water it down and dilute it. And then I'm going to get a toothbrush and sprinkle some paint over my heart so that we get this starry effect. Now you want to let your whole thing completely dry, and then you want to paint the background black. The only reason we don't paint the background black first and then paint the heart is because sometimes the black can be overpowering and it makes the other colors look really dull. Or you might feel like the paint is dry, but it really isn't, and when you paint the other colors over it, it mixes and you get this gray color. To help you paint the background black, you could get your heart cut out and place it over your painted heart, and then paint the background black so that the black doesn't get on the heart. Once it's completely dry, you could paint or write your own personal message on it, or you could just leave it be. I made another one using a star shape. So basically I did the same thing. I folded one piece of paper in half, drew half of a star on it, cut it out, opened it up, and then placed it on another piece of paper and then painted it. This time I used the colors red, orange, and yellow. And then I removed the stencil and I did not paint the background black, and then I just wrote my message on it.